Good morning, SMF Street Traders. This is pre-market action. Right now it's 5:17 a.m. on a triple witch Friday options expiration. So what we'd like to talk about is that we did the RIM trades last night. RIM is at 4.9%. Texas Instrument is going to do a $7.5 million buyback program, and people are bullish in that area. We've seen a lot of these buyback programs coming. Arena, ARNA, shares fell another 40% upon after hours last night because they're not going to get the kind of approval that they should be getting. There's other things. The Asian markets were up. The FTSE, the DAC, the CAC, they were up. The futures at one point were higher than what they are right now. S&P futures are only up 220. The Dow futures have pulled back. The tech rally and the software rally and all of those announcements last night were very good. But let's all be cautious about one thing. And the thing that we want to know in pre-market is that we're in a nice trend cycle and we're right up here at these tops. Okay? And today is the expiration. Stock futures are in play. Options are in play, and index options into quarterlies and things like that. There's lots of things in play. We've already ran up in anticipation, and the September rally has been good. It's been a counter trend. We're right back to where we were when we sold off in August, and one of two things are going to happen is that either the buyers are really going to step in and they're going to buy, and we will use our SMF platform to establish that weakness in price action. There are plenty of headlines that are driving the futures higher. We will be also looking for any gap ups that are sell side gaps. As far as overbought equities go, we got a bull rally in play. We have everything working for the bulls right now. We got CPI data that's coming out at 8:30 Eastern time this morning. That's in another, let's say, 11 minutes. And part of what we have going is the OREX December FDA panel, as OREX, that's OREX, now has a chance to be the first company with a weight loss drug in the market. And they do. And we'll talk about this off of the video, but we'll have you bookmark it now. And basically, a candidate will be final obesity drug to face the FDA. And it saw very positive 20% plus reactions in the news as it removed the possibility of Arena. So ARNA, with their drug, that company has fallen 40% right now with negative news. So that puts the competitor, OREX, right in the driver's seat. OREX. So we're going to be on that one this morning. Middle East Securities and Enterprise Makers share on the conference call at Texas with RIM. So that we can find out more about what RIM's earnings are. They turned it around. That was great. We got a bull gap we're looking for from futures on expiration day is that we're going to be looking to see if the sell side program hits, but when they pull back is how you get in that momentum. And the SMF trading platform will help you establish that momentum when you're getting your entries and your exits today. So that S&P futures are now +8 versus the fair value after trading up 14 points overnight. So compared to where the futures were overnight and where they're at right now in pre-market, they have pulled back. Okay, and gold is up today. Again, it was up higher, was up like $8. Now it's only up $3 and some change. So what we're going to be looking for is taking that headline futures news that I'm talking about, and we'll be in the live trading room. We're going to look for the stocks that are gapping on good news, Oracle being one, today that had a very good earnings report from their last quarter. And we're going to see what the knee-jerk reaction to the futures are on that CPI data. University of Michigan sentiment is going to hit 9:55 Eastern time, and that could have some influence. The technical resistances on the S&P is where more shorts come off in the broader indexes, because the bull rally, we're going to see if we get a bull rally, breakout bull rally here or not. And we're going to take a look at overbought and oversold in various names and various indexes and many other things that we do. And we got Oracle is trading up 4.3%, RIM 4.9%, Texas Instrument is up 3.7%. So some of the people will be looking at those Bull 3X. Again, the Bull 3X is taking a look at where the SOX index, semiconductors, there's an ETF there that Ray needs to look at, okay, because you got a bullish move in Texas Instruments there. And basically, we'll talk more about the finance minister and what what the Japanese is doing over there with their currency. Okay, that will be the next thing that we do. I will see everyone. We are ready to go. That's the news. That's what's going on. One of the things that we would like to talk about is the share volume on the NYSE has remained below 1 billion for straight 10 sessions. We always look at the NYSE because that's where the big money and big program trades come into play. And with everyone back from their vacations, is that we're going to take a look at that big money and see if they start coming in there. One of the things that we're talking about is that it's going to be very volatile today. All right. And the other thing is the participations among investors has been unimpressive for the past 2 weeks. Well, if you come and join SMF Street, you can take advantage of bear moves, bull moves, all kinds of moves, options, entries, exits, learning how to use the SMF direct access trading platform. Everyone's qualified. So basically, when we have lower volume, people just don't have, in my view, a clear understanding of what's behind the tape. And we have a platform. Everyone, foreigners, please sign up. Outside of U.S., you qualify to be on SMF Street. You're very important, and you deserve the finest education that one can receive. So, once again, people, we've had a lot lower volume. That Texas Instrument increases its dividend by 8% and authorizes additional $7.5 billion for stock repurchase program. So that's what we're going to be looking at on the opening bell. This is the bullish S&P chart. Dow and lots of them is, can they break above that handle? The key area for us on the S&P is that 1153 handle up above. And do we trade up above? And do shorts come out? And it's going to be extremely volatile today. Options expiration. It comes once every 90 days when you have, you know, everything expiring. So basically, this is the S&P 500 chart. We are going to watch for key levels of resistance with increased volume.